PDF files, Word documents, Excel sheets, images, and conversions. Why use more than one app? With Dira PDF Studio, the essential document tools you need are all in one place. Open your files easily, import PDF documents into the studio, arrange pages, edit your project, apply enhancements and filters, and save your changes in just a few simple steps. You can also combine images and files, arrange them in the order you want, and turn them into a well-organized PDF document. Preview the result, save it, download it, or share it directly. You can even compress images to reduce their file size, then download or share them easily. All your projects stay organized in My Projects, so you can return to them and continue working whenever you need. Need file conversions? Convert Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files to PDF, or convert PDF files to Word or Excel with ease. You can also extract text from images using OCR technology, then copy the extracted text or continue working with it. Dira PDF Studio supports 17 languages, and for supported cloud conversions, you can return later and retrieve your ready result after processing is complete. Download Dira PDF Studio now and make managing your documents faster and easier.